Okay, welcome traders. Patrick, Trading123.net, and rally day here in the market today on November 20th, 2025, Thursday. Thursday is always a good day of the week to trade. One of the better weeks to trade, and with volatility being up, I told members in our Discord room, basically, sit out the first half hour or trade the ES. ES, moves a little slower and trends better. And so this was my first trade in the ES here. 2 contracts, $500 goal, and it hit in 2 trades for a nice win. Overall on the day we did 8 trades, which is about 6 to 8 average we do. And like I said, rally day today, and when we traded 2, sometimes 3 contracts of the NQ. And we made $5,800 in profits. And we had some nice winners going back into the last half hour. And let's look at our other trades. So here is our first trade after 10 o'clock with the NQ. And with the volatility, we're trading 2 contracts here, 640 goal, 420 loss. And a lot of members in the room caught this. Overall, the market trend was down. And down we go, 622 profit. And this trade here in the NQ, basically, there was some news that came out regarding the Fed and interest rates. So here's the news that I posted at 10:48. Morgan Stanley no longer expects the Fed rate cut in December. And that's what the news, and then I said, well, that's what caused that fast drop. And then reply from Mike, that's not good. And then I said the sell-off is all on news from Morgan Stanley that I posted. And then as the morning went, this move in price action is all on that news. News moves the market. And then the market just kept diving. Typed in market in a free fall, and that's the trade that we caught right after news came out, and a nice quick profit. And as I always say, news moves the market. And then the market just kept falling and falling and falling. Here's the next trade here after 11. I should have raised my profit goal, but I didn't. I was happy with what we got. And this whole trade lasted 30 seconds or so. So the next trade, I raised my profit goal to 1,000 and added another contract to take advantage of this sell-off and get some quick profits, and that's exactly what happened. 3 shorts to the downside. Had a profit goal of 1,000, got 972 for a great trade. And then here's the next trade. This one, another quick sell-off here, went into like a double top, and we re-enabled the bot and caught this sell-off nicely. And as you see here, I thought this would have been the low, and I exited by taking my profit by hitting the button, and then it just kept diving. So I would have hit my goal there, but a nice 627 profit. And the market just kept falling. And so this is the next trade here. About 5 minutes later, reset the bot, 3 contracts still, found an uptrend and then a downtrend, and we hit our goal. And that was it for the morning session. And then we did 2 trades in the afternoon, going into the last half hour for over $1,500 in profits. And let's take a look at those. And here's the first trade. And got back from the gym just in the nick of time. And the market was just going lower and lower. And we caught 2 trends to the downside. Then it reversed. And then an uptrend, and we hit our profit goal of 952. And still a fast market. This trade lasted like 3 minutes or so. And then this is from our Discord room. Going into the last half hour, I said the market is still weak into the last hour. Last half hour, it could sell off to the 24,100, 125 area, and it basically hit it to the tick and hit this 24,100 and ripped to the upside, and a nice move off the low. Now let's look at the trade that we took. And this is the trade that we did going into the last half hour, and it was shortly after that that I posted that support and resistance level of 24,100, which it hit. And it was right at this area because I posted it like 2 minutes later. And so we caught a short here on 3 contracts, quit $587. Trade lasted like 30 seconds, and that was it for us. Nice profit on the day, and we called it a day. So hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget PayPal is our preferred payment provider. And you too could have trades like this with the Trading123 AlgoBot software. As you see, it nailed the trades today no matter what the volatility. And we took advantage of it. So did members in our Discord room. You get access to our Discord room. So we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your trading.